Yo, what is up, YouTubers? This is Zolt Games. We're gonna make today a giant Wreck-It Ralph gaming machine in this kind of weird gaming world, I guess you can call it. First off, we're gonna get our big platform to make it on. Gotta find it first, actually. Oh, here it is. The large terrain block. Terrain, however you say that, I've never known how. So we'll put it here. First we're gonna start off with getting a square block. Build it all the way up. Whoops. I hate when that happens. Whoops. I hate when that happens too when you mess up. So basically this thing is we're gonna build a giant gaming machine, and inside it there's gonna be like Wreck-It Ralph stuff, and it's kind of the perfect music too for this because it's like, and background. So we'll build it this tall. Whoopsies. Too high. And then we'll keep going down here. Up, okay. Gotta get this all down. Okay, that's good there for now, I guess. Dang it, that's not good there. Okay, good. It's just tall enough that we can reach all of it. Okay, so that's that. And then right now, I have to make it one taller and go in. Up one more. Okay, so you should have something that looks like that. Kind of like the front of a gaming machine, you know? Okay, next up, what you want to do is fill in this entire spot with the blocks. I've been meaning to build this for a long time because I've had a couple requests from my friends at school, so enjoy this if you see it. Well, obviously you're going to see it because Okay, so you'll get something that looks a little bit like a gaming machine. Like that. And the side should look like that. And now we're going to build the width on this side. So the front is 8 blocks wide. So then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then fill in the rest of this because you know it's all going to be 8. So then from the back side view, it should have something like that. And from bird's eye view, it should look like that, like a big square. And you want to go up all the way to the top of the machine. Oh, perfect. I thought it was uneven. And then you go over. You gotta keep going down. It's a pretty big machine, I guess you could say. Okay, so now we want to fill in everything. So then you'll get to the top. And just keep filling it. Whoops. Okay, and I will get back to you when I am finished. Okay, we're back with filling in all the sides. Once you fill in all the sides, you get the grass and you fill in the middle. And when you're done with that, then you go to your building parts of this, I guess you say. And you gotta make sure that this little red button, well actually first, sorry, you go to this. And, well no, I'm trying to think here because put it like that. And then you take the wall. Okay, I did it right. Then you take the wall. And you put them like that. Just trying to think here. Okay, yeah, so then you put that there. And then you take the building. And you see this? You have to put it like inside. You don't put it on top of the piece because it won't fit. Okay, so once you got something that looks a little like that, you get go all the way into this thing. And you put it. No, sorry, I'm just trying to think. Okay, yeah, you take this little, whatever it says, and you put one there, and then you grab this sucker, and you put it there. Then you go back here, and you get your you don't get the same one, you get this block right here. It's got like the 2 lines on it. Now I'm just trying to see, because I don't think, okay, I filled it. Okay, then you put it on top, and you stack all the way. You just keep building. And then you do the same on this side. And it gives it that kind of like look on the side. It's kind of like that. And then you go to the top here. And you grab this block again. But you put it 1 block above. You just go all around, and you fill it in like that. And then you would get your long wooden block, like that, and go like that. And then you take one, put it there, take that, then you go back to this thing, go up, put it there, and like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, and like that. And this top block has to be 1 out, like a little bit out. Then you lower it down, except you get the blue. Put that there. And then you take the same blue, put it in all 4 corners to give it that, whoops. Okay, see, I kind of already spawned it right there. And then you would, well, you don't do this, because I accidentally put it there. There. And then you should have a little something that looks like a big game machine. Take these red triangles, and you put 1 there, 1 there, whoops, and like that. And then you take this, put it there, to give it that kind of like buttony look, put 1 here. One of these long green things. No. You get this cylinder. And then you don't have